This is a large but compact and really lightweight Teflon coated inverted umbrella with one-touch button, automatic open and collapse, reflective strip, 12 resin reinforced fiberglass ribs, integrated umbrella needles, lightning protection umbrella cap, wrist strap, and a carry pouch. I was sent this to review from Bodyguard, so let me show you a closer look because I love this umbrella. It has a little carry case, love that, with an absorbent liner, no less. Ooh, it is two-toned with a Velcro strap. So compact, really lightweight, I'm shocked. Very nice, sleek and smooth handle, matte black. It's not rubber or grippy, really nice quality. There's your little button and the carry strap. That's always a must for me. Woo! Oh, really nice. It's not vented. It is a single layer. Really, really nice. Look at the construction under here. Like, these are really well made. The little feet, I don't know what these are called, the little rods here, they are flat, so they're not sharp or pokey. So that's really nice. One touch here. Wrap it up. Nice branded Velcro strap, Bodyguard. Really gotta just shove it in there. I like this. They don't have to fit in here. Most umbrellas I've seen, the compact ones, like the little rods here have to fit inside the handle and it's a struggle. But these don't, they stop just short of that, so super easy. And then I gotta cut my tag off, but just to show you, for sake of showing you, there we go. We are back in and ready to throw it in my backpack, ready for the rainy day. This thing's amazing. I love it, and I know you will too.